Alright, you savages, got a neat little trick for you all. This is especially useful if you are just getting into the game, if you've just started your new agency and you haven't got a model yet. So when you go finding a model, you're going to need what's called social proof. This is proof to show that you know what you're doing, that you know your shit. Now obviously this is hard to find if you're brand new and you haven't managed anyone before, so you have to fake it. If you're worried about the morals and oh that's not right and oh we don't lie, dude, everyone has to lie when they start off with. Everyone has to make out they're bigger than they are. Even Google did. Google's first building, I think they named it number 4 or something like that to make them sound like they were bigger than they were. It's just how it is. We all have to do it. You just have to make up for this when you actually onboard your client and you smash it. And you smash it out of the park. Then it's all worth it. Then you can justify this whole morality thing around faking it. And I'm just saying that just in case if you're watching this and you're actually worried about that. But you shouldn't be. This is business. You got to be ruthless. You got to be a savage. As long as you deliver, there's nothing wrong with it, all right? So here's how you fake some social proof by using real screenshots. You go to Facebook. It's about the only thing fucking Facebook is good for these days. Go to Facebook. You join these shout out for shout out groups. There are plenty of them. All you do, you search in Facebook, search for OnlyFans, SFS, shout out for shout out, any combination of either of those two words, and you'll find a group that is like this one. Now, this is meant to be mainly for girls or creators, but you sneak in. You can either do this by creating a female account or pretending you're a male creator or pretending you're gay. So that way you can kind of sneak in. That's what I did. I don't even know how I got let in this actually. This is just some fake Facebook account I got. Looks like some kind of, I don't know, looks like some kind of Lord of the Rings guy there. But anyway, I got in, so you can too. And then what you do is in these shout out for shout out groups, what people do is they want to shout each other out, or some will come in this looking for other people to shout them out. Now, in order to achieve a fair value exchange, what these models do is they post screenshots. So then they look for someone at the same level as them to shout them out, or vice versa. Or if someone is offering shout outs, they will look for a return from another model who is on the same level as them, who is earning the same as them. This way it's not unbalanced and you get a fair value exchange, as I said. So they'll post screenshots to prove that they're at the level that they say they are. And all you do is you just scroll down, finding some screenshots that you can use. Here we go. See, here's an example. There, boom. Top 5%, $460. You can even do this. Now, when you're going to use this as social proof, don't just screenshot it or save this and then use it straight away. Alter it a little bit. So you want to blur out the model. Then you might want to change a couple of things around. You might want to, I don't know, you just neaten it up a bit. And then also what you want to do is you want to make up some kind of agency logo. And using Photoshop, you just want to put that over the top, make it slightly transparent, and boom, that's called a watermark. And then it looks like you own it. Now what you do with these screenshots is you upload them to your personal Insta. I recommend personal Insta because an agency Insta is going to have a hard time outreaching models because they get a ton of DMs from companies, from businesses. And if they see another Instagram with a business name or a company name messaging them, it's just going to go on the heap of other requests that they haven't seen and they won't bother to look at. So at least if you upload them to your personal Insta, then it gives you a bit more credibility because they know you're real. They can kind of relate to you a little bit because you're a real person. It'll make it seem a little bit more trustworthy. So that's what you want to do. So you want to get a bunch of these. Now, when you're just starting out, don't go finding screenshots where they've made 200K in a day or 100K in a month or something like that. I'm just, throwing numbers out there. Because if you're just starting out, obviously you won't know how to earn that model 100K a month. So if you get screenshots that show figures that are too good, then you're not going to be able to meet that expectation that the model's going to have when you onboard them. So you're going to shoot yourself in the foot. So when you find screenshots, be mindful of that. So find some that are achievable but are still appealing to this potential model. So I'd recommend finding screenshots where it's about 2,000 bucks. It'll be like top 3 or 4%, which will be about $3,000 a month, something like that. See, it's easily achievable for a new agency, for a new manager like yourself. and it still looks great to potential models. And you go upwards from there, so 3,000 a month, 4,000, 5,000 a month, something like that. But just don't go too crazy when you're looking for these screenshots, because as I said, you're going to shoot yourself in the foot. So, and that's literally it. So you just scroll down looking for screenshots that you can use. See, you just keep going, or you can shortcut this. Obviously, you can just go to recent media and just flick through them all. But as I said, whatever screenshots you decide to use, blur out the model's face, do any other alterations you need, whether you want to cut out the top, because if you have different screenshots and you can tell that they're from different phones by the top and the bottom here, it might look a little dodgy. So try and make them appear that they're all taken from the same device, because then it looks more realistic. Look, a model might not even notice that, but you just want to button up. And then you will create this logo, as I said, chuck it on top using Canva or Photoshop, make it transparent so you have a watermark on top, and then it looks like it is truly yours, and then you'll upload them to a personal Insta, as I said, along with a bunch of other ones, and boom, that is social proof. So that's it. I'll keep it sharp and short, because that's literally all you need to do to find real screenshots for your fake social proof so you can onboard new models. And that's it. Now, before I go, click the link below to join my new Discord. Got a whole bunch of other legends in there. We're all working together, hustling away to become the best. It's an insane amount of value for the price of the subscription. It is absolutely insane. I drop chatting scripts and contract templates and just everything you need, cold outreaching scripts, everything you need. It's crazy, all inside the Discord. Click the link below to join it. And if you like the video, go smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.